Okay, so in this video we will learn about not logical operator. So not logical operator. So in this operator, basically it is what not is doing. It is alternating the output, right? So when I say alternating, means it is making true to false and false to true, right? So it will invert the output. So for example, let's say I have x equal to 0. If x equal to 0 means print x is 0, right? So that is one of the condition. However, I will take this and what I will do is I will basically make it not x equal to 0, right? X is not 0. So basically I have inverted that using this. So now this is true, but the result is false because it has inverted the output. So that is the not logical operator we have, and it is very helpful when you are just evaluating condition where you are resulting true and false, and alternatively it's a very simple operation. And you know these logical operators, as I mentioned earlier, is very useful in creating more complex condition in our code and making it more dynamic and interactive, basically allowing us to make decision based on multiple conditions. So that's where they are so powerful. So in the next video I will be discussing about how we can use them on a real world scenarios or certain real world example I will be taking, and then we'll discuss them, and then we'll close this logical operator, and then we'll start learning about conditional operators. That's all for this video. See you in another video.